Don't let spills and messes get in your way. Lock in confidence with Bounty, the quicker picker-upper. This pack contains Bounty quick-size paper towels that have even shorter sheets for a versatile clean. More concise sheets also allow you to choose how much you use. Versus select a size. Bounty has been the leader in absorbency and uses a variety of quilted patterns. Essentially, the tight stitching or quilting Bounty towel uses on all of their kitchen paper towels add more surface area to the sheet. The result is more paper and a more absorbent paper towel. That is why Bounty is so absorbent. The traditional Bounty paper towel uses a 2-ply construction with tight diamond-shaped quilting for extra absorbance. Bounty Basic, the less expensive line of Bounty paper towels, is 1-ply and use small hexagon patterns and honeycomb texture to increase absorbency, without increasing cost. Pack contains 16 family rolls of Bounty quick-size paper towels, equal to 40 regular rolls. This pack contains 80 more sheets per pack, which means 8 extra days worth of paper. Bounty select a size 16 double plus rolls. Estimated based on manufacturer data. Actual usage may vary by household. Bounty, the quicker picker-upper, 2x more absorbent. The custom size at brand in the US. Yes, Bounty paper towels can be used in a microwave for short duration heating, reheating of food. Order now for clicking the below link.